Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm back again with the Mzansi Soapy stories, and today I'm talking about Gomora Mzansi Magic. The great news is that the show is coming to an end this year, October. Ngenxa have lost interest from the show. Season 4 ozoqala this month, April, will be the last season. Ezophela October, then the show will be cancelled. Shelly Adonis, director of local entertainment channel at Mnet, said they are committed to bringing the best content to their viewers, and as such, they are responsive to their changing needs and preferences. They are promising to bring the viewers new, fresh, and exciting content. Gomora is not the first show to be cancelled. Ilandela The Queen, Isibaya, Deep City, Imbewu, Depenchen, and many more. Gomora started guys in ngezikhathi lockdown, and we really enjoy the story with many new faces like Umazeti, Utsedi, Usbongile, Untokozo. But again, as stories qhubeka kuhamba nomelusi, the writers changed their storyline into something else. It was not interesting, and they lost viewers. But again, noma kunjalo guys, siyabonga bona wonke ama writers, crew members. We really appreciate umsebenzi wabo, isikhathi sabo, and we hope we'll meet again. Before I end this video, guys, let me give the credit to this woman, Sanam Mchunu. Guys, she plays indawo kaZodwa Umzozozo. Thank you so much, Sisi. You kept us entertained, you kept us glued, especially kuma scenes la ebesuke phuze khona utshwala noma ekhuluma isingisi. I know guys, no, I shame we were entertained. And yeah guys, I think this name Zodwa will be her name from now on. Anyway guys, that's all I have for today. To leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.